Amazing that we are still here and we have not run away. Isn't it well? Isn't it amazing that we are in January? We have finished the election. A new president has been inaugurated and we are still here. We have not run away. It is well. We didn't run. We did not run. Isn't it well? Good afternoon and welcome. This is your prophet, Kwame A+. I told you, this is your prophet, you know what I'm saying? Welcome to another Sunday of Mepa na Meba. That's the name of this show. Yeah, people keep asking me, are you coming live today? This show is called Mepa na Meba. I'm going to talk about something that is very important. Yes, and somebody already put the name there, Colonel Appiah. In most cases, we all come on social media to complain, to criticize some of the issues that happen in politics, in our social life, in our everyday lives, and we forget to commend the institutions when they are doing the right thing. And today I'm going to commend them because one way or the other, they have taken care of this issue, and we have all been quiet. If it were an issue that happened to somebody at 37 military hospital, and so we will all come here and say 37 is this and is that and is that. And the good thing is that, the unfortunate thing is that now that 37 military hospital is taking action or has taken action against something that one of its doctors did, we must. That is being principled, and that is being truthful and real. So we have to come back here and say thank you to 37 for taking some action, because it doesn't happen in this country. What you are saying? It does not happen. It's some associations, no, you form it in such a way, say, you be boy, you be boy, mine, when you are clean for us. And so, say 37 hospital, Bibia Kusi, Obi, Ekuwu, and yet 37 pe, a CDBR. And we spend most of the time talking about Akufo-Addo. Yes, Akufo-Addo dear no wo ye njai kanda. Ye njai kan obi enu ho betumi ehunhun wo mem ha me ye njai ka so bie ni ho. What you say? Eya na bi number social media number say hweye na we ye say no obi antumi nya hwe o. E na wo mem ha no. Ade good dog ye che momam kan say mi tran sama ko Dr. Appiah so. Ye ka say ya ma obi bail 70,000. Just say wo dey what say 70,000 go bag mu dey ko gina police station o. En chresa. En just say ya ji uska o. And so many people that say you pay no 70,000. 70,000 just say also be bet now our property and worth 70,000. And you be be to me you be here for talking. Nobody. There's not a single person. Omemuha Victor Salome. Yes, we did buy $7,500. Okoje deal. Nanado was the Attorney General then. Victor Salome, yes, we did buy $7,500 or so. Okoje jail. He went to jail and died in jail. Some real fear, and you'll be on a short memory. And if somebody did buy $7,000 or $7,500, that's what you could jail. You can jail in Manua. Be a no bit me who be our cruma. Be in home or soft walk preachy, no accident or crime no way. I'm robber police for Tatano, not shoot out, no way. Be a bewu. So death must not stop anybody, or the fear of arrest. It is very stupid for anybody to wake up and say, I'm fearless. You must be fearful of something. But fear must not stop you because it makes you a coward. So once after I've established that, then we'll go on to the next issue. And the issue that maybe can once and then say, doctor no, or 37 no, some Munina Moba Kaisa story, Munina so, and then you use one phone into Munina so, me not just a make up, Besame Coba, the Antina Macasa Munina so, and to make Naso nothing may eat at the Noma Bama, maybe both voice be, actually, yet may Pesame Kaimo, sa interview now, or run a year, no. Now, feed ye di home come now for ye be 37 say, I didn't know doctor, and ye in the dikeke. Because information they say, that doctor or the nipa form information me say or the nipa form na nurse ne doctors bi wo ha wo kura nipa wu en fa ne ho like doctor to me bie nipa trim obie nipa trim a na wasan aka kire nipa ne say ni ti na obie mu no machine no ode ye adwuma na say ti wasan atum na ode wato ho say afi na okokra machine ababie chale enoma we no so almost solve ya almost solve ya increase kwame plus salary ya mfesika mramio but me come na boy ye nyina ya ho now so people know about Facebook na we sort na criticize Ghana healthcare na Ghana healthcare ya do yira kwatra bochim say papa ankam me kwatra bochiri the jimie ben no me catch us ade na yentime me di adwane na aka mo mutumi for mo di adwane so say no once me di adwane no ni aka ne se meye me kasa mo mutumi adwane no obi ni passport obi ni skakura e top passport form. Into no beka ha into me many opportunity na me di adwane no I have to speak for those who are here because they don't have the same opportunity. What I say, me catch them some time ago, some sister or yari no, because I had the opportunity, yet to make a kind of hubom within few days, near Yaji India, Vesamano, near Kateketamano, near the Nuko India. Adia Yakoye no, a yo be our ha, or no your only opportunity no, into Nipanebu, and once I made the sister ko India na Yakan and our bano, if you hawk on the action on Kwa, make bonk of waiting Kwa because Minian Musa Diana Yeno. Say idea we ye ma Ghana ha. Omu wude bia. Enti nyame aye madoma me de metime be gina pempen so bia. Mimi hwe ebusuafo mu nti o. Mimi hia sika to live in Accra o. Sisi ameti we some peka afofora. Me fra mankwa say, "Charlie, bro, I need a new car o." When phone ya me kutai. We the new Galaxy Fold. Oh, Galaxy ni Fold, phone na Fold no. Latest one ni. Friday me office na minua na na mama ground kunu of friend say bro new year then na ope na mso bibia oba no have phone number me $2,000. I don't need my bob radodo. I have too many contacts. I do not need money to live. But se menya nyoma we ya na bi se me ho se na aka nkofo bebre wo ho omo enti toko na ye kono mostly no ye ko ama omo ni bi no me komo ndeme me hu ntumi nkyere me. What you say? Enti ya montumu monmaye nyina yenka ye humbom ne yenkasa na omo ntumi nya bi no omo so etumi aboa omo me peka afofra me fra man code bi si asisi ya odo ba be si ase me nya bia no metua kakakra komba de ade me yare a enya Holy Trinity ma sore se me call Holy Trinity ana me call landmark Dr. Tikeo ya njimi zikawu but nkofo bebre ebre. So it's not about me to say come in kwadia and kakasa men kasa biem. Monti ase. Enyoma we na ya me pesa monti ase munya abotre because e do time anipa ewu dia. Unia munya abotre ne yenka ho ase because ochina bi no wani so bete wo no na wo so da hobi. Ayade we ene ma me di kolebu issues no mentumi enya abotre because me time me mobo enipa wudodo. Enti no time na sanke ya any other issue a enke bia men konto kwasa awu. But eba kolebu ni mini MPP fonto ko nyina start kolebu. And it is very very important to me. And you know, answer na ye be 37 asemi so no. Moma your friend saying, Moma yanye we yenti ade enti munjina so na dem use one phone pe. Enti munjina so me bought no Gucci. Ade e koso wo no Gucci according to voice no. Mu bebre ho monti ye. Enti me boss our voice no akire mu na feed ye di ho komo enti no me ma me nko akire ho na me nkobo ma mu hold on me
na you read
maba eni nti
say me say the mo ye program bi amu bi ase binti me ma so na me bua me ho aba broche na ye ase be ba broche no ana be for British Service for send me say or say me ye correct test na san my de maba. In fact, me say I call ya San Mabanti ma me call Accra. And I me call Legon. I say some maybe or no Gucci. Or no mo ye testing. And me call on the 10th. Na me call ye. To me call no. Na me call ye. Bibi omo me 350. And na me ye test me bi ano ka say. On the 12th, Mama J results no. So 12th na maybe 2. And on the 12th, about 1 o'clock. And I me call the results no.
Continue you.
In fact, me call the results no me be positive. I COVID test no positive. Ti ma me shi me pa. Na so dey kwambe na me fa so me dey me call. Ti nyano na tu me car, me dey me be say me frɛ British for it was for catch up say now to me no. They were say me change me take no. Anti Sama me say me to me car na me kona be 1 hour time. And I'm saying ya call. Me fine no. Na baby a me call ye test no. One guy be ho. And a guy and friend say, "O metimi a change positive na negative I dey ama me."
Would you?
Say me konkwa dia. No mo metu ya 500. In fact, what cars are no. Adia no other say me kwa na say me dey me say no. And yes idea me call back to my negative because or say me only maybe or say me na bruche. And me call back and no ye ma me no mo je me 500. To me a negative ne ma me. Obi a positive no. Afedi a negative na ma me. And na anadu no me see when na me call airport. Na me call ye bibia. Ti still a me call na me ntimi ho ase. Enti me betro bruche. And na enura be say no, or say me call test no for na me hwe say ampa say me positive for. And you know me call text na eno nti na mo kasa na nyina me ntimi nka hwe because me shede my din. Me nim dey ato me. Ten real na results by me a negative. And she said the cost wo Ghana no. She said omo hwe wa na oba be test na omo hwe o personal ne we yi a dey ba na yi a no mo se bia bibi e dey e wo ho. And she said say say Ghana for no they say hospitals they say say no we o Ghana o see. And ten yanom asem wo di wa beti bia na mesro. Unipa bi o abrucha o ba bia na o kwakwa test ne bia no try so be bona man ye said you wo ye no guchi no eno no. Why? Until me send it, me text a na omo de ma me nyina me send it any abroche de ni nyina de ama bona obi a de ahwe de ekoso wo Ghana ho. Why? Until no me da masma be do asum bi mboko de until be call test no me ye negative. Usafo me
moya butro ebia afia na obi adwan won. Enti me san be body biom na obi awante no na fi de obi fa the comment in meja wo u be kwa bruchira na ya check ukoye COVID test ya hwe na wo ye boga na why desperate person wo kwa so we ye negative kra na say positive asam na make no me wi amachire mu ade bi achire mu we ye negative kra na yes we ye positive. Send a beya won't to mean quant. What's why desperate no? Near Frowa catch also by a bit me a paper negative. Amonanka would you 2 coin. Hot baby, a yard dear no. Began a mean in you, bro. No, me, da, Yabeka say A+. Yeah, the neck cocoa, a buying a bet be and I bet me a main train and I be a main train. Because mean Mundi. And to me, I'm a fucker, cotton, some say more than more farming too. Hem person would be too much can't with them unlock because I'm coming in a yellow crack. Mean system no, ya papa. Oh. Enti no omo akasa afro se bra go omo so ye boga wo pentamako enti no bra ne yenye negative ma enti wunya du na wo ye boga pe ye positive untu menko wunya du na wo ye boga pe ye positive untu menko ne afro ne adu another 500 ne ayama oman na ye timu no enye Akufo Addo na ye saade we o enye Nana Addo no ti ho na oye saade we o Nana Addo oye COVID test. His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo oye COVID test. But problem a me Nana do warrior back number 1 and they say asem we Nana Betty then Nana be ya fa ho wobɛhu no na nipa na ade no oyes ade no oye obi bi obi sei wobɛhu na ade na koto Nana do animu na wanyɛ hwe because you see mu 4 years here you start say you kase nkrofo bebre ye noma wo ye wie pe as president aclare wo ye wie pe as president aclare enti bogafo na omo abakrum na omo kɔ no omo na omo bre ba mu bebre mu bebre nya mu nyina ba mu bebre mu bebre because mu ti aburuchire ho uhu aburuchire twene Jonas kachira wo se hwefom na wo ye tu no betra Facebook se na Jonas no wo hu se nsu ato wo London ade a chi a wo hu da how many times nsu abeto wo London na wo di wani sei be hu se nsu agire no sa nsu na to wo Ghana ha obi ebewu nsu obetumi ato a wo benyane obehu se nsu wo te se to wo nyane a wo hu e fa hefa ni nyina agira enye nipa na te ho na enye nipa Kwame Nkrumah ye temasa ena ye kase enka tete na na nibi eni wiase no Kwame Nkrumah tumi ye tema drainage in such a way say ensu to awunhu ensu onyiri waye ni nyina besen kopum Kwame Nkrumah ye tunnel efi agri ensu onum oye san so de besen akotupum like the kind of system the guy was building in the 60s and now better Kwame Nkrumah ho asem wo hu say wo ti aburuchire ye can't roll say, or mine no maybe come. What sorry, I know a be live video, see, so say, who by attack or more customer a bad boy in now. So what's your butcher? Wouldn't send your system na ye, Duma. You know. And you know, more bugger for no moody you more. Walk of footprint pet, yes, a positive. Walk of footprint pet, yes, a positive. No good you won't, the papa be brave. Minipa bi koye test on Gucci. Yes, positive. Also two kind. As some me asem we buy na nyame won. Also two kind. Yes, positive on to me nko. On to me nko no. Why desperate? No so send the ticket. 2 weeks later, after one of nim droni ade nyina awie 2 weeks later, osan koye tester yes positive. Bi o say also me kon yes positive. And obi tia na so say, Madam, here Jina mai na koye test no Hawaii. No say adem oseme se ko na koye test. Obi na tia na so okoye ya negative. Ghana ha no problem no ne say ni papa wo hawo. But ni papa no so because penifo no ye. Corruption no was civil service no mu. Enti me ni papa no mo no Gucci ho no mo yes ade no. Me recommend you mo on some level. Wa obe cha mo so no mi ama sore na mananti akona na do fie mo dem betra Facebook na mo ya 2020 onim the last time me na na do kasa wo ye mistake wa obe mistake me sore makona na wo ma paka tre na na hwe say no mo ye 4 years ya kade ye nyina pesa wo de chechiro man na man Ghana ye nyina ye dia say na na do di president no man ye ma ye nyina enti say no wa wo betra e na me fa me phone na me frɛ wo betumi di Facebook wo betumi di MPP echi na me ye say na wo nka na do asem ko wo ye MPP ba wo ntumi frɛ president wo suro president na ma wo hu o ye mba hyew ntumi frɛ no ntumi wo suro me fa me phone na ma frɛ o mampani me frɛ no afa me test so me test afa me nim boys na nam nyame o nyina ye nyina adamfo ye nyina na ma na obedi president enti me frɛ Boloyon and as a me frɛ Jibril maka say catch o man some person me kasa nkofo bi o mo ye say wo no Gucci no o mpɛ so o mo ye say me report mo and Akufo-Addo on pay president obeti ma some meja wo ti Facebook ye dede wo de kasa na obe kasa keke unyo bia wo mo bra papa ye kan so a wo nti ase ndi papa bebre wo no Gucci ho enti no enya san nipa na tia na so na nka negative kapesa me bu obi din nanka omo gbo na paso wo memu ha but wo ni din o betata no nkofo bi wo ho nkofo be 5 omo no Gucci ho very good people because me bu omo din na but ye betata omo be find way what you say on mine na ye team no mo bogafo no what ho anu aso Facebook live wo Auntie Anita which one ye na me MPP na say who say oh yes obi di matter wo na wo share na wo na wo comment na wo na wo share me hwe odin oman ya team ni omo ye ka asem no na me ka asem na enya Akufo-Addo na ye COVID test o but ebeto na his excellency mampani ye nyina ye papa ebeto ne dex so a what action does he take say na be ya ebe ma saade no ebi nsibiem enu ho asem na ye amene na nakasa na nkrofo na so we gyaa o mododo asese no na enimi wada ne sofo sansam we na ye ka we a boga oti abrochiri wo krom farmer ye say na hoti abrochiri bi oti no say sa na no mo ye wo ho a enka wo tumi tu ko chana ho ye nyina ye ko ba bi ni ehu a na say me to na me fa me nkrobo na me say momra me pese me twa ticket momna mo ko Dubai na mo ko hwa ade amra o ko Dubai no be bi on ko chana ye no na me say ma madam fo bi be fa o mo say on fa mo ko another place o mu du ho no mo say bra afi na ya ba Dubai say we are CFO ho ye desert insuo ni asase na insuo po ebi ni ho ohene no Dubai ohene no wabon modern say sika o man ni benye nyina o de yo man no hwe o man a wa build esi desert so Dubai ye desert insuo ni ho black soil okura bi ni ho bo mo flowers chan Ghana e ye nsam we na ya ye ka say yensu ye nipa yensu ye betumi aye bi Ghana ye yi anka be ye obi ade wo sorry a wote ha ena Kwame Plus de okasa dodo wo sorry no wasan fa Bobby Wine photo no de akoto Facebook say ye wo bom pa ma Bobby Wine bibia ye Ghana de mo mpe wo sa akofa Julius Malema de o feeling pa ba Kwame Plus de no hu ye wahi sa akwa no hu ye me woni Malema no hu ye ngofo hi wo South Africa sa na ngofo so feeling wo Nigeria ne South Africa na wonim sa Julius Malema na wo na wo MPP ni na wo pedibi no we nyanti no buafu na wonim say Julius Malema on ANC na ye ruling party of South Africa and then wonim say on no youth wing leader no dey bufuo film because you say corruption Malema wonim corruption na ye dey ato so South Africa o dey bufuo film koti ni friends EFF na Kwame Plus there on MPP for issue on ye cancel no muntie o dey lose o seat ni bebre na nde o mutumi koda parliament 3 am no omutie ya nko meda parliament 3 am sa asem na ye kana me buafu na me dia kwoti me TPP no eno dia ya wo ya ba Malema de ono ye se o corruption me obi akaza ma ko corrupt di obi me dia wo mpe ukromu dia na ye kasa ma wan kasa se boga wo ba kromu a the way na nkofo ye covid test ne die bu 500 Ghana boga for na bre wo fi abrochiri ba ye se $150 Ghana $150 for covid test ba ko wo ba no ye se ye test why ye test wo ye negative wo ye test na wo ye negative no we san tua 150 wo be du Ghana ha ya san ye obiem ye se aba aboga for no snow no mu tena na ye easy sa sika na do so dodo at least wo de monji 50 boy mu de oban ni person ogigi sika kura monji 50 na boga no afa phone esi ne so say me ko ye plus me na say there like my dream only say mu kura mama bottom kura say na mbeka bia he na mbeka bia mfa me ho say this year no me ya west me dia me chi wo wi ase say my bibi na mamu ame na me niewu ase de manyane be 1 month obi an ka me ho ase wo fi na say am say mo ye mo Facebook do me feeling no. Can you imagine that madam nyane the whole Ghana obi at Facebook ye me nko an hey kama ye fucking me feel it me there na say my teaching kura na mo be ka mo kan ya mo be kan bia mfa me ho ya kan asasam kire mo na mu ntia e ne be didi mu atam ne ya akoto YouTube bo so me so na YouTube aman iska ya kan asasam a kire mo me ye madwuma na me kan asasam kire so wo adwuma no wo kasa do ntia twa adwuma no mu say aban sa e ne de bia ma ye yewo na me da to YouTube na YouTube aman iska because I have to live. Constitution is my big mama meduma and the may you them to YouTube, no YouTube for you America. As a source of income. And now him ye can't some be born mine. And cause obi po and cause say ye come at Namidu asama, Matnamidu then away. Or say we were, we yesi, we ya de when ye, Matnamidu can say, moon first as canam remu, and we are gone and Nina would chase as some we are, one him say Nipa also was supporting in the Martinamidu. Nipa no asam na okani nyina ne se ade we ye mo oman no ade we be ha oman no nipa we ni se o ha nipa ni aye adwuma na de ama no ni se onye se wo so a wo ye discan de aye oman ni na man wo time atena medu wo wi a no obetena ha se wo pena na ado asem matena medu mahama na de ne be ye special prosecutor etino obia wonti audio no obia wonti sa audio no bra na betie biem eni me san bo audio ni biem na tie biem
ya obia na enyumere
tia omo
na send ya said the mo ye program bia mo bia 70 ma so na me boa me ho ba broche na ye sabe be ba broche no ana be for British Service for send me say or send me ye COVID test na san my de maba In fact, me say I call ya San Mabantima, me call Accra. And I call Legon.
Mutieni you.
I say some maybe or Noguchi. Oh no, we tested.
Munti.
And me call on the 10th. Na me call ye. Me call no. Na me call ye. Bibi omo me 350. And I me test me be no ka say. On the 12th, my major results no. So at 12th, now maybe 2. And on the 12th, about 1 o'clock, and I may call, say me call the results no. In fact, me call the results no, me be positive. I COVID test no, positive. Timami, I'm she me pa. No, so we dey come na me for so me dey me call. Tinyano, me tu me car. Me be me friend British info was for catch up say now to me intino me be say me change me take no anti sama me say me to me car na me kona be 1 hour time and me say nya call me fine no na e baby a me koye test no one guy be ho and a guy and friend say let me change positive now negative I dey ama me.
What?
Say me konkwa dia. No moment you have 500. In fact, what can say no. Adia no other say me kwa na say me dey me say no. And yes adia me call back to my negative because I say me only maybe I say me na bruche. And me call back and no ye ma me no mo me 500. To me negative the ma me.
What?
Obi a positive no. Afedi a negative na mama. Ena anadu no me see when I me call airport. Na me call ye bibia. Ti still a me call na me ntimi ho ase. Enti me bedro abroche. Ena enura be say no, o say me call test no fufo na me hwe say ampa say me ye positive for. Enyano me call text na enu ti na mo kasa na nyina me ntimi nka hwe because me shede my din.
Yo.
Minim the atomy. Ten real results by me a negative. And she said, the cost for Ghana no. She said, "Omo share wa na oba be test now. Omo share o personal anywhere here or they ban here. No more see be the ewo." And she said, "This I say Ghana for no. They say the hospitals they say I don't we or Ghana OCCA." And ten you asem with you abeti bi ana mesro. Unipa bi o abrocha o ba bia na okwa test ne bia no try so be bona man ye said you me no Gucci no eno no why nti me send it me text ayi na o de ma me nyina na me send it any abrocha de ni nyina de ama bona obi ya de ahwe de ko so Ghana ho
munyina so
why nti no
munyina so me ko yi another audio
nti be ko test no me ye negative
yo
nti jamani
yo ya da ase nti okoye test no oye negative obia some nyina masoma nti no sese mu nyina so me koyi another audio na maba mu nyina so sese ameba
okay nti yenu ni din di Emmanuel Asare Kuma me gine say din na no bacho okay
obia entie asemwe yenua na yebeka na asem yefre ni Emmanuel Asare Kuma Ghana healthcare asem na yegusu ayeka no yegusu ayeka healthcare asem se ade a abia boy obia atibi nya ekoso enye no wuchi pe there are so many places that the papa wo ho but any papa nya support wo memu ha just a wudi nkwasi asem and obenya nkofo mo support wo but once I will try say we papa no nkofo de musika sponsor nkofo so mo attack wo me hu no bebre because me hu ade a asema ye kan me nim ade enti anyansa ni bi betena ase say oya again but omu nyina na asoma mo 20 Ghana what you say enti no eno ya kan eno awie mo kai say omemu ha obi yare me yesi wenya brain tumor na wenya no ya ginisika yesi je yakokra machine fi South Africa ba ye de bie ni trim doctor no de machine ni baaye o ji scan no de machine ni baaye obi eni pani trim wase machine na sei na wasan apam se afi na okokra foforo aba obi se sound or sound ana sound ni okay obi se sound ni ye sound ni okay ana sound ni okay ana obi comment say sound ni okay me sure say ye afi na okokra machine no efi South Africa ba nti yasan apam nipa ni ti nipa a wenya brain we na ye ye bie ni tinu mu machine na say yasan akata so ne apam biem say ye kokra foforo nda ho Charlie guys munya abotre anioma bi wo ho a eye woni ete kakra 37 no na 37 hospital omo ayade doctor no yapam no but Michael Jackson doctor no ade na ye na yese wa ye ntia Michael Jackson ewu no endru nia we ye no endru nia we ye no kwata hwe amai ma ye we afi we ya ye to a afi last year be ya ye to ye Ghana for dia ye ade bia kire politician say enya free ni ade no politician Ghana for ni nyina ye pe o mampani bia ne ni so o hye a obetumi use some radicality asesa ne o ma bi civil service ni ade no akonfo wo mo ba nipa dodo na e wo fom no woman free SHS woman free water woman free light woman NAPCO and funny hu or pep mampani bia obetumi ni nan si fom I take some action bi what you say enti no enipa no bebre ho mo ye papa o but ade na sa doctor we ye e ma ye nipa e kana sam ni nipa ni wu ye no Michael Jackson doctor no call jail no wanya sa de no kwata o ye say negligence keke o negligence no abrochi na nye keke o but say u betun abie nipa tirim na so machine na sent wasan apam e de na koto ho e twan say ye nkọ krafo from ra na Ghana for na Ghana for mo ma kan se mi nkyere mo politicians mo mahu musuban o enti no oba power on edu time yenye nanado edu time bia mo menka no edu time yenye Mahama edu time yenye Mahama edu time yenye nanado bo mo hu se ade bia o beye bia mo ankasa nipa na bebo am no nkwa mo ya against na se me koka say the whole central region almost CT scan back na crofo di matter o say da bi me see the whole central region o ni CT scan na crofo ba Facebook o me di matter say da bi e wo back this country till me see the whole central region CT scan about the whole central region the whole central region with all the thousands of people that live in central, if not million, there is no CT scan in central region. People of central region don't million. There are millions of people living in central region. And I remember through Facebook say, "Omu ni CT scan ba kokra in the whole region. Till unya problem, I just said, "Go to ambulance, mo bank crime." Na nkofo nya abotra betra Facebook di matem say, "Omu wo baako." So you are happy that Sameme Boakra, 1 million people have one CT scan. One. In a country where 275 MPs have 275 V8s. What your memu hanam beka chem say, ye ni ambulance. De biana misu, na politicians will be our V8. Ye ni ambulance. Ya kota ambulance by anam be me. No be a camera see no so say, ye could D plus at them. We are wine. Because my caucus ambulance na outdoor no hu here. Nti no yen we ni ewu ambulance ya kofa wo kasa dodo na yen kasa dodo a ye be ye to aba wi ye wo area kwan be wo sase afi contract na start ye kokwasa so ye beto aba no na weekend holiday bibia oye adwuma be to aba no wi na fi da open oba say ye din omo be ye da bia o se ye kasa Rollins ye younger than us no ye cool nyensa yen ntumi nkasa keke yen pese ye cool ye pento kwa kasa keke be kasa na enyoma asesa no so ye kasa nipa na be bo om no mo edwa but ni papa bebre so o man ni nti ye be kasa ma san krofo no wa wuntie no ko na wuntie so be ya wo ya because the bia be kasa wen hia me on follow me Facebook obe hia me obe call Google wuti o ade no Oprah news obe hia me wo so na ho no so me ka na be ya wo ya unin say TPP na me ye no obi a support me papa cry and support me o ana unin say me papa cry and support me o say me jai sa ade no na me mo me bra me forget it na Ghana for no forget omu me papa cry me forget it ade no ye omu ntie o to forget it so still me ye wo na obeka den obi ne papa ka sam je no ntie wo betina ka sam me yes ah hey say there bosom no won bosom no be ye say 1/3 nipa and can you like bosom one? Maybe catch us say the whole of Central region is any CT scanner. Then you are proud to come and tell me that oh yeah, we can draw 1 million people have 1 CT scan. 1. So MP per 600,000 Ghana cedi, 6 billion as gracia or per 6 billion as gracia. And you are happy with this MP. You don't like Kwame Plus. Me imagine my bedroom as gracia. You don't like Kwame Plus. You like the MP who is taking 6 billion as pension. And yes, I'll just 6 billion as pension forever. Every 4 years, Biano or co pension, or just 6 billion. No, I can't start here. You may be every 4 years, we are just 6 billion. No, I started. Who pay no answer? Who pay Kwame Plus? Who need CT scan? Who need hospital? Who MP per 6 billion as gracia? Obi a yare. My member voice no. Temper no cost this year there. My member voice. Munti ade we ka kra bi ni atoa so.
Aboko wo na wonam. Wa mane e.
Inti be close to 2 months ni. And me ba kroma. Na asemi na ne say na me brother na ne homfa no. Inti ne homfa no no. Ye de ne call CNJ hospital. And omorane scan no mu say or brain tumor.
Brain tumor
or brain tumor. Into the brain tumor no, Krumha no, Accra. Referral hospital say they call either Kolebu 37. Hopefully, Ridge Hospital me Nyashio.
Okay.
Into no a banisa no mature referral and say Yanko 37.
Okay.
Into no
referral from CNJ
from CNJ home. They didn't call 37. Into no na mini Krumha. Into no my sister Nini Kum Busian for Kakram didn't call it. Didn't call no more year or more. Initial assessments near there. Into no, neurosurgeon back over. To share some no say, we dear obey here emergency surgery. Into no big emergency surgery, that time can be brother come to me be any. On to me be any. And assessment no say so yeah surgery now, obey here bear 10 pints of blood.
Wow.
Into no all kind of sana no say 10 pints of blood where kunya we. Into no cry no your old students. Na me the 2 when say we the emergency. Into no say na eba. Inti a bad sano and a neurosurgeon. Catch him sister say, Aqua emergency no line or more line also for surgery. Intino. So what you have 40,000 Ghana cedis there, which you I am on
40,000 cedis.
40,000 cedis.
It's you for for mini no mamembo break wa. Hano mamembo break. Adiana yawo no. And yes, be a beya free na ye delay. Ye jo 40,000 Ghana. Nipa sign wo memu ha mo 40,000. Mo amunam ho mo hwe mi nyina obia nhwe nachi. Na twere wo Facebook we so say wo hwe wachi a wo hu 40,000. Nipa ma ye donation amom wo Facebook we na ye ne ya we ti ye ne ya we ya ye say donation amagye amwo amabo nipa wo Facebook say me enne ye say 100,000 ye say 200,000. And then you say 300,000 monipa baako obetua se miami ni bia omo betua adofo ebe say you say Kwame Plus ade bia ye no na ye hia sika bebu so no we hu guy ya odrodro yi you say ye hia sika dia kwhwe speed and of the donates kama no ye won namfofo e bibia but se miankasa mentua me sika po a wonkofo betua wo but nipa sen no mo wo sika ni bi na nipa sen no mo wonkofo betua na sen minipa bi tema kidney issue misi wo mo mengo ade be tia from say jai afi ni ye be gigi ntobo wawu na say me maami bi ayi ono so tema echi ho ba bi bibi cancer wawu omo ni bi doctor say kofa 40,000 ebra na nkofo na ko organize 25,000 the ama doctor no part payment the man we no be na see here obi antie bi for obi no betie bi
400 million old cities.
Yes.
Okay.
Inti no say for 25,000 ebra
down payment bra which mean we can work on it. Inti na ho uka say busuafo ekika yetibo mu ina enya sika ni bi inti weekend cry na rekoye no jisika no to jisika no oma ya we say any that week no any surgeries by Mondays. Into no hopefully no
obehwe no surgery no per se or assemble a crack team. Meaning say other neurosurgeons no more fancy Kolebu and I will to be your mother together. Now on my surgery. There's an amount hope. I regime say be ye. And you do so. Day of the surgery do so no. Anyamba so. And we differ say no per crack team into hopefully no by Friday no man be close to another week no.
No the whole
so ambaso. No say a differ or postpone here call the next Monday.
Enti nipa no yare da ho no ya man the time I say yes surgery da no so ye no ya yes surgery no afia say on train na Monday on train na ye nya crack team no enti ye ntumi yes surgery no ye ntumi aye the sample ye two ne share the following Monday ina che say nipa no yare no wada ho 2 weeks no we nya brain tumor wada ho 2 weeks and then audio ye be boni nyina obi antie bi na say ye ka Ghana asema eya wa support na ochina bi no bia na nya wo a na ye wobusuani nyankopon ote ho no ohwe bibia o ye che Paul ene esuafo ni bi na ye de omukọ ahemfo ni panifo n'anim no ibi sam senti we no yen omodan ene pani ba ko sore ye na se munja omo ade na omo ye no se mfiri nyame a eno abegu sane ka se munja omo ne omo ye no se mfiri nyame eno abegu entitie bi na forget Kwame Plus na won pen asem no eno any problem omo tro Ghana constitution no omo nim say you obi an betumi apɛ wasem and whenever Mark Twain Mark Twain book your friend say to the equator something to the equator or say whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority it's time to pause and reflect. Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority it's time to pause and reflect. And so the framers of our constitution knew that you can never, or it's not even advisable to find yourself on the side of the majority before you become president of Ghana. So they said once you can get 50% of total vote cast plus 1, you are okay to be president of Ghana. So even to be president, you don't need anybody. In Jasmine America right now, no, I don't need everybody. I just want you to listen. Nyame no, say free nyame and no be good. Obi eni wiase obetumi ya wiase ya hihya to ho wo benam no wahwe what steady no wa follow with destiny no enti no enye otan enye odo eya asam na ye kan tie
no se na honfa no afi ne honfa no say postpone call a week after.
That is doctor no neurosurgeon.
Yes, neurosurgeon
after say motria 25,000
yes inter there emergency no sisi an edi no be 2 weeks inter fe do be 2 weeks no
ni na no brother when
ni na no neuro ward
on admission 37 okay
inter fe odene call theater no omo wan anesthesia ni bibia ma ne die no see machines no the bible starting now anya adwuma nti say you know esa ba award
ebuzafo ati asen we doctor we na make say ye na di no machines now dey be ye adwuma ya go na anesthesia no like me nim say bia nkrofo nte ade no ase a wo de wonte ase a nyabotre na fi start hwehwem sa anesthesia no ye wo ne ade na ekiresen ye be on surgery ana emana omo akwa awo so no omo ye CS no ye wo opani ase na ye twa wade na wonte enti no ya wo na anesthesia no ne ade nyina eti se wawu na ya wia eduro na ko mu awie no na ya ka kire wo se ayi ye friend saying ayi machine no anya adwuma chalive Feni John ase efuomu ho no moma yenye efuomu na nye krom enye se ye ne Feni Jonas beko na asam de no kra de ya ne tie ya no kra bi enu ha ne tie de no kra ne tie ya enti efuomu no eya efuomu na bekrom woti abrochire na wudidi Feni Jonas atem no ade wei esi wa abrochire a wonim ne ebe to doctor no ya woni pano anesthesia ne ade nyina awie ye woni wie ya yesi machine no enye adwuma enti e o se ye gya no ma ne da ho ni so tsena na fi yasan afa no muntie o de ye audio no ye boni nyina muntie
ena obe recover no so machines na anya adwuma no o crab if South Africa nti eba neurosurgeon no
or cram machines or the best surgery no emergency surgery
or say drill bi
ni pana ayare na ye de no call hospital no ye ka kire ne say ade na ye no eye emergency and yes, I will be. I didn't know you emergency, and you will be. You didn't emergency, no. First one doctor yet, second time doctor yet, third one doctor see or yare, no home fano. Into to me yet. I feel yet, you didn't call me a bonnet panier, yet, but machine yet. I feel ye ko crack machine. Nipa na ye also in surgery emergency no. I feel we did more than 1 month at our hospital. Yeah, it was so.
Intino, on mine till the next week, hopefully now. Week ni do you know?
Yes.
Drill this one, but and I feel or see only surgical glue. Now the bay surgery, no. It's surgical glue yet to be fee the United States, US. And then you will be over. And yet into within 2 days, no. None is I can glue surgical glue or the bay surgery. In the year, no, when you're surgical glue, also say, oh, machine or cry, no, in Yaba. Into no, hopefully, no, which me I surgery.
Which my surgery, no.
It do so, no. Day of the surgery, do not suppose to need you. And this time around, they finally, no, or the brother called theater. Into a train, yeah.
And that was after about 1 month, right?
Close to a month, yeah.
Close to a month.
Excuse me. Into a fee, or then the call theater, no, yeah, train up to about 7-8 hours. Or the number order. Just say, or started surgery, no, or pine team in area, you know. Oh, you should drill, not drill machine, no. A jay, a say.
Hey, Yabotre. Sir, or then the.
Send me tia, na me home, a yummy baby. Fair, more muntia some ye. But to a baby a pet. And I'm ye can't did a kuma, ye giddy tension, will crum and crop for ye say. I'm said, 1 penny, dada, Mahama. Just yet, cause won't name your memet. Kofu fu or mem papa. And you know, sir, a kofu fu. And it's a no maybe say cost our own. And kofu be cratty baby. Make clients of bones and kofu be a yard near their show. Kofu fu. Cause on my way, and no more be brave woman. I didn't talk see other countries at Hano and kofu have what chair. No be brave coswa yet. Say, ye be any penitrimuna, ye you are green, ye be what green what to honor. Now Dr. Nakachiro say, machine ne jaye dumaye. Ye chese ade we o man ban na anye fuo mu a ebi betumi asi wo enti no instead of say ye ne Twene Jonas be kono moma ye nkyere ye mbom modern say be mampanifo no adane afuo no estate ye because eye afuom na ebe bie ni patrim na ye bie wubusuani ni trim awie no na akachire say machine na ye akọ kraba ye no for emergency surgery no machine ne jaye adwuma ye nso aso
say theater. After almost bare 1 month, you know, and I pay training.
And
by that time, I want to know me was here. No, you're unconscious. And you're paying the trim, and also you're paying the trim all your day.
Oh, yes, or the draw.
Oh, yes, sir, or the draw in the Simono, and I draw in the say.
It was a Paminitino. And yes, I in the bar award.
Naniso Teno, or Paminitino,
or Paminitino.
Okay.
Or didn't come off fine. Into Honey who's an Nayahu. Into a corona test. And I'm saying when you're a DVT on DVT, which is a deep vein thrombosis, and on a blood clot,
okay,
and it's a very serious. You know, about the sana is emergency way of it. Me and it's a younger cardiothoracic unit. Or more procedure be on my $5,500. Also, cheer answer yes, procedure no. Into a corner, yes, a procedure no, and yes, I buy. Just I buy no, and I need now still. It is at CCC and negotiation of compression socks. Compression socks, nay, ye elevating in 9, you know, or boncomo or ye BBR fine. Inti, after a week, a little over a week, and finally, no, neurosurgeon or coin surgery. No. You see, when you are the mercy of some of these professionals, utie, you know, advice. Your colleagues, you know, we're seeking second opinions near there because you see another nature, another time, no. Tama or yes surgery first surgery now when you know way no na me wo akwantu but I couldn't bear it anymore as a brother. You know me to me take it at the chia na buy It's me buy say at least yes you have a share the cost. So you are giving the benefit of the doubt. Who around centennial surgeon, because yeah, with the investigation background, yes, you're good, yes, you see this, but Nippon is your assemble practice. What's better than at least if it's a team, no yeah. No, no, to me, hopefully, no, be defer to before I be on the to me.
And Nadia Nature say, Nadia Nature say, surgery, it me on a double track. Me a surgery, double track, a memoir. Like your surgery, but you have first half. And yes, you have first surgery now, say ye, and maybe a second, or see a couple panel be like me a debut. Surgery back on ano, you know, double track system. Doctor, ni be with trimmer. Then the machine I say, no wa pam with inabo, not work to her. I feel no all san cram machine for fro. On sign need glue, only glue. Surgical glue na ye the best sword ye no on mania ye timi. MP4 air S gracia 6 billion here, Kwame plus na any paponi na no so no kasa do no. Charlie. Come back and say na say we restraining order bam. Kwame plus na any paponi ni ntino. But yet your man your biggest military hospital in ni grow. Nti we MPP ni na we ga like enya na say na bron ye say na MPP or to talk as no worry na nkofu with this abron ye de okan de normal won ono de okan mumfu ono de e okay odidi mu atam na say de bia na say fadi say nkofu to dan ma wo ge so abrochi MPP ministers ni ade eno de mundwa e won na me kan na ye wa hwe we pray fucking heaven you will free so you will free heaven so say heaven be oba bia you will ni afade ni abron ye e ka no enye problem won na obi nua ewu na me ka wa ha na ye wo problem when na ma me hu ye wa hin won that beto no na say papa bi osuma obi so mba kan kire me say me kasa dodo na menya abotre me o say me kasa dodo na menya abotre na bibia be yi okay na ma me yesa na me gu aban na ni mase anche bia na na semba he na nipa na afra me say oh unipa say enka o say o ke bi ma no na so mo kan ye no kure na me say me ye din a enka me wo platform na me ke bia ma no endru so dia say ye kan na nya wo dade a o say nya abotre edru so no de Kwame plus ko ke bi ma me kan de Japan asem kan o say me this system me obi antumi mfa me use me for the personal interest obi antumi use me ntumi nkon for akufo ado ambition na say wan ambition no be ade Dr. Bawumi apɛ wo me na me so me pewu ntumi you can't use me kan ye beboa nipa. So who will honor person the president? I mean person the president. Rollins the president. No we use form. No need degree. On my way so 19 years. Do to me be can't say ya to aba make don ko akostandi bi obi astandi bi Kwame plus watch na social media. Ade how ne say Kwame when we say t-shirt ya twon Kwame 2024. Say 2024 say MP na meko say den yo wega. Oman ayetimu a oman ayetimu a ye wo gold wo diamond wo bibia ye ni surgical glue e wo hospital ye ni glue na nka woni nyansa nka wo da no pa bia no asane message say Kwame nyame nhira wo ye ni glue wo oman ni mu ye ni obi obetumi akasa ye nje oman ni say ya obi asuro bia na for be chew wan for be chew me de maka so maka de bia me ka kire nkrofo say me na me ni papa wo ba me de nkofo bebre paade bi dia yade bi o ba muntu me famfa me so da do your national security na me ka kire straight nkofo bebre on pese ye demonstration akese ne ade enti media say me come asem na say wo be ende eno what attack me a look we will start putting people out we will start because asem na ye kan nya asem na ye ka kire no me ye say bulldog dey kire wa chiri pa ba ko aso me have a constituency. I'm telling you that me am on the ground with me am because asem na me kan no me kan wasam na me kan asem woni bia o me kan asem e be bo man no enye obi mun fa han mun copy han obi ani wo betu am because me if you touch me it will be chaotic. What you say you can't catch me alone hwe mu amon na ho mo ye na parliament na we say unni obi a o ye kan asem e be bo man no man we ye nyina ye dia enye obi a dia ntumi obi antumi hunahuna me nipa bre wo man mu ha dodo. If you attack me, look, a big giddy son, a best taxi, Kakrasa, a baby brave. I'm telling you, I'm not afraid of anybody in this country. And the West is yet to come. The West. But the West can be democratic. It's democratic. But I open to me.
But you will say Ankoyanisa and Cobra and say what delay whole process. Until finally we said you know. Now say my brother will recover ICU. And say ICU you didn't know. I will say right away no to me making sure say surgery no. Omo scan no more surgery na kosi saying. Nipa life support sini so ni ade no 37. Omo CT scan machine enye adwuma.
37
enye adwuma. Inti na wo say ye de life support ni mani sini so. Ye de to ambulance mo. Ye de ko sunshine e wo airport.
En kwasi asem. Ah, Ben, en kwasi asem. En kwasi asem. Ya yes surgery na wie. Finally akoya breni ko yare wada ho sa wa bresa. Finally ya yes surgery ni wie ya. I was happy the machine hwe ni trim say bibia yoka. Ya say 37 hospital CT scan in ya adwuma. CT scan no nya adwuma ntino life support na esi nipa no so life support no me ya na minim say go for be ntino me bia sia life support na kire say wo no wo komo like we be the machine na esi wo so and the machine no na airboa wo ma we breathe like and no ma wo life o but one kasa wo da ho no wonnim hwe nti ya tam nipa na o da ho se funu no and ya tam life support machine no aka ho and ya de nipa no ne machine ni machine na ahye ambulance mu and ya de na call private sunshine akoye scan the whole 37 military hospital Aban hospital kesiesi ACT scan asay CT scan asay enti no ya phone nipa no ato ambulance mu plus life support machine no enyina esi ambulance mu traffic mu wen kuku ya koye ne CT scan na ya say obia yedin wo memu ha obia yedin mo bia nkasa woko kapo bi say wokra yeto abama no ye president asa na obey we hu police am robbers say omu wi ade am robbers wi ade no wakwa catch police for say police am robbers na she omu wi ade na police na catch say ofi okọ wo so wonye tu a obey am robber. Does it make any sense? Does it no make sense? Does it make sense? Police say am robbers e she fie we mo rob obi omu be ku nipa me say fia wokra wonye tu a wo so obey am robber ntiko. That what sense is in that? I'm telling you that this is what is going on. Usunya power baby. I don't want to abama me. Ya tam abayin ni CT scan. But when the problem no, in most of these cases, CT scan no, me doctor anya achina kolebu. I know how it works. CT scan no, abayin enya akufo do ba be say no. Nipa na ye adwuma ho na be say CT scan no. On be say no. Se ne be ya, wo ba na so ye scan na ya direct to baby say kwa na koye. Se ne be ya hofo no be nyiska. No ma che. Nipa na ban de on be make sure so ma say no. Na wunya this wunya mampani a ochiwa like ya chiwa ya court ya chiwa na ye do ukọ. Na wunya mampani a de bia oye na do ne why bote me kokazo me papa so no. O just every time na e call off na fi ya kan adwen. But 4 years now say na do they building a legacy. Na do has a legacy to be wa bre me de be ma catch am for say ade me fe wo mamu ha. Ade ye me ni je wo mamu ha. This me say na do ba. Na police ne soldier for ne moto di nanim na win we see from no nante no okọ because papa na bre na me dey say o bre na wunya me dey me hu obi a was struggle because me moto you never give up o usim say dey be besi oni say obeya don't ever give up until you achieve it so long as it's the right thing enti bra na do ya no enoma wakom hwe do mahama say bra obre dachi bi na so say be the president I am happy for him not because he's going to change Ghana. I'm not happy because I'm confident that he's going to change Ghana or anything. I'm not happy that Akufo-Addo is going to do anything but I'm just happy for that motivation, you know. So me I'm happy me want Nanado me the Nanado there only me want so about me ni adi ho ne dem hweba be start so be kasa no me dum no because of a catch and say Ghana export aduane. I don't want to hear that one. Me person met sekura Ghana export aduane bia enti president no di no oba me ni adi start so kasa na me ye fro me person metie metra na metie papa no kra ntra kire me me person metie kura enti no the whole hospital CT scan does not work. I say si ho entokwa me start say me ku 2017 mo be kanya Yesu Kristo ewu kọ no say Messiah no na ewu no nipa ba enti wo mfa ni nyina ye example Kwame Nkrumah wu kọ ye ansa na ye hu say say na Kwame Nkrumah ba obra ye ku ntokwa wo kolebu ya nkrofo ba omu create all sorts of stories lies Like all sorts of fake stories and they create all these stories. Yeah, quite, and go for me, Kwame A plus, no Kwame A plus. Na kulebu oxygen asem na America. And from a nipa oxygen machine, I say, for 3 years. Yeah, the oxygen, no, yeah, the good canister money, the basic hop. 1 week, and I buy air bocan auto. I buy bocan auto, no, obi business, this on better oxygen, I'm buying machine, yeah, money, yeah, you my sell. Now, obi abano, I buy ya, year. That's your mum, ye nedi. And I'm a granana, and I'm a growl. Yes, I didn't know me granana, and Nana, I just say 3 years. Nipana bano, no, I buy ya, within 2 weeks. Every month be a motor 100,000. Nipana ba within 2 weeks on one from the bottom scawa ya ye. After the year, who says uncle from the contract of God, Papa say on my duma. And from an normal Toma hospital in the Biano, Papa number end this idea no. To say I buy in just a scan of mobile. It won't be contract to a plus the Papa so. No, we experience. Oh, yeah, but I buy na wubune ko ye man. Now we Dr. Anya Momedi. Na me grab sin now say and I say Dr. Anya me Papa no na na do me Papa me can be see Dr. Anya na some man post na waje. No, I post no. I said, I have a friend called baby. No, like now in the palm person will be something say your mad Dr. Anya poster. Because they knew that, so just I post now fireworks. But Dr. there, my Papa, you know, whatever he does, no, I don't know why any penny, no, because Doctor say no catch them so by just I post now. I can't another copy from the post. Only Dr. Anya knows. I tell a dog, don't even try. It's you know, only you know more organize a day, no more make question cantonment, oh baby. Ale, when? Yeah. Answer, me betting your man, no more. Me can't so much what ya, some no won't take you, me, I may be catch tea me. I mean, church or my moon show. I want to say, on betting at no man, my any open. Yeah, it was.
Trying to CT scan, yes, twice. Now, even the journey from the hospital to CT scan, ambulance airbo pin. Just say, yeah, Makwine. Just say, me boy for him and person me PF car no cry. Just say, you have a critically ill patient or dakam. Ambulance airbo siren. Can't say Makwine. I even have videos. It's never say, on maneuver, sa, yako doctor kaho, anesthesiologist kaho, critical care nurse kaho. And something I was saying, didn't cook CT scan. Maybe the end say, what the critical care staff he could try CT scan. Your mom more so. You see, a priority. You know, as me about say the 37 Military Hospital,
yes,
a supposed model hospital,
yes,
run by the military,
yes.
CT scan I say,
yes.
Omunibi and I say,
Matisa I say, from the Matisi here, so no, Omu CC, Masati CC. What I say, but
no credit say. Almost CC. They say the almost CC money year penny now more honor. Almost to me CC idea no, or my idea. But how did it even break down? And if you take critical care for no, now the only good ambulance must say, would you almost call CT scanner? Almost go on almost yet. Charlie, what I said, let us almost go on, they can just die. Almost go on can just die. And then, yeah, it was so you are. They can't say,
but you see, we say, oh, 37 years, yes, in college, because you know, it's a hospital experience, you know. This is my first time I'm actually that because even in this process, you know, just say labs, we have labs, we also call lab koji container, no. Now, say by a tremojanimal crana, say, Muja Yachukra, the share grows when you are the crana, sometimes we bear hands, they are ashamed, who could deny mu. What could deny well so fear? Ubet you now, de Mojano, Ebeco finally, yes, Mojana clotty.
And when I 37 assembly, okay.
Yes. It's also Sako back, yes, I could another one. You know, times be honoma, Obako Strano, or that ICU, you know, finally, no, no, friend or intubation. Because now, tubes nana, a shen and numia, the nomufu sena, ama, the airway hono, a home queen, so much me trap the hanomode tube ni film. Into connector no to the beer ventilator one from an obowa. Flames near the beam. Sometimes we know not as intention near the word. A host of what cost Rano after 3:30 no. While we are visitor, no woman now, I was catching a say, oh, on section a hano. Next say, I was no home if a Nieman kitten one time say me call lead now air connected to the chest on multimedia reading heart rate. Lead net to make a nurse fine say oh I did here to Oshem or straight. I'm saying mechano. I mean, what is funny about it?
Nurse,
well, I find out I me a wine. So I say, but in all this no, there were some very dedicated staff I met. Who to me say, me to me chair mom. They were working hard. But I was like, Kakrana almost send me piano. Oh, Olivia bad taste. You say you live with the bad memories.
Bad memories, no.
It be so yeah, Jumapa. What you say under the circumstances, under the resources are say inka resources like Accra, they can do extremely well. But ni na until one weekend, me call you say connect and I want to say now when your friend is saying Asempa FM. Oh, men on that enquy into no muji trachea tube. And I'm some section. To me, trachea tube is a share. At least where I say back on the windpipe.
Yeah.
I have pictures here. It's the very thing on Asempa FM. And from ano, I see a go through the skin. Into I'm connected to ventilator no. Ne who from ano.
Pacho, Madam Roma. Into no. Baby, I did and from ano be shena be man nipa na home no. Omu yiye. I was hospital. Omu yiye no. Ena omo sign the share no. Omo the share no. Omo fan connected baby a bomb from a koni mu no. Ade no mistaken no e ko share na skin no. Emu. Una wo doctor. Omo the air side mo the share. How you see the share windpipe no mu a. Asona meka no. Ena asona meka no. Yes, I'm sorry I'm better on your Facebook. More doctor need her. More doctor need her. Doctor needs me mamu when any muda. Men's recommended voice. Yes, I say the share. The shower. Now I bought the framano a cool. I DNA too. Omo de crochet. Omo to me and found connected into a crochet in skin no. And a hoo nipano. And from an boy and a who skin no say balu. Say how ye fool more. Crow has a Vinny Jonas or ye Jimmy for. Say how ye fool more crow. Say how ye fool more. I see a friend. Tre choose yeah. Didn't what? And I think I'm better. Choose from you somehow. What just here? Yes, it. Adena akwahye ne skin no mum ena ehuhu nipa no no waye se baalu tie
tina fe hu ne se baalu intimi me call before na akwahye ne kwane aframe you briefing me say me call mama nya alarmed. And you see in the interactions at the ICU, I see a very specialized unit. Most of my interactions in now were with residents. Sometimes we especially think senior doctor be would brief. It was only when this incident happened that I had a senior doctor brief me on something. Interactions in now with residents, critical care unit. There was one time, see a Kowan, I didn't pay Drubinia, Ichia, Port Clinic, when you're doing chair. Into P interacting with night nurses near the Intia Conanes Bago, friend. Was in Pacho, Mokola Mombom Pie, my. Was Mombom Pie, my. It was deep, so I didn't make bomb pie. What you say? You know, me call Sunday. Me who say me brother we who's ano.
And what that means, ne say omodi tube ne share back no.
And cut through the windpipe.
And the panels way. What is say more now?
And cut through the windpipe. I don't know how long it took. Into the huno. Obi. This is him before. Me press the camera so because this is him before. You could see saying on Asempa FM.
After say omo be a ventilator no na eye ni say.
Anopa, me call anopa no. Just say on your cardiac arrest.
The omo catch on no.
Yes. But say it true so on your cardiac arrest. To say, Ushe and me bufuye. I would say me call blank. To say me Ushe. Looking at the processes that started from postponement of surgery, stories.
And you know, the idea na share. Na fan she ama from anabwa manipa na ya ne surgery na wie no. From anabwa huhu na ya ne se baalu awo huhu da ho. Ade chinye wawu. 37 for my idea. Doctor no ye yinedi. I was saying we jail by now. I don't even know why that doctor is not in jail. I don't know why the nurses and the family has not been compensated. I don't know why. But Ghana, a dying to make sure of France. Now your man Peniatro, condolence was a dying message to all that dying. Now accident is working tampon and the past 7 days we need to create near Kataso, ye DNA near the Omo family. Yeah, me never be prayer making woman. And whoever does not understand this simple issue, it is your own problem. A dying issue of France, near Tro, whatever. In the past 7 days in a day, we don't value Ghanaian lives. You value Ghana lives, so it doesn't matter. Anybody can die. You're normal. You're tuaba, nani patre. One police, a bomb to no more. You be some penny for the other almost because all your criminals, the more and yashi, but near Cofa George Floyd or your American near the number, your bomb mem has a bayenda a year, I didn't hear because police fought Tata before our Bruchiri into Black Lives Matter and ye bayenda year, the pace will default a baby were prison 5 times. Mutu me who be crum nino and then the crum police for Nekona. Yakin or resist the arrest now. Nam so awu no. Or no dear on your criminal. Now obi okojina police station or koye dede na yatutu awu no. Or ye normal we are a criminal because nipa no can say asam no. And then that's why first deputy speaker of parliament. The same person that can say who kotun for some year galamsia. Maybe some question kwa bom tu okumo. Yeah, the penny for born in the penny for phone, the phone. I don't just say no. Bra, no ha. I don't just say no. For phone, I know a friend say, I'm a plus your show because what's the first deputy speaker of parliament or your phone? I'm come so in the phone or in the phone. So until I see us, as some no can say, or more we will be a criminal or more who got to for themselves. Now politicians, yes, can show my boom too. The phone until I see no a friend is a brana, the baby see, eh? Maybe me voice be a Mikutawan. No, me hwehwe bibi mana ye gidi keke na me de amadu aye family we for ne za mo ngina mo kra na afi de bibi antintom kra ma mo try me o ka kire mo za dan mo ho na mo ti no pese me ja tum kra na di ba bia me anam ti na me ka sa no we anya sa me kire bibi o mo fa audio no na mo hwem yie ene me nsa mo adwuma ye pa mba hwehwem because mo mpa no kra wo mamu ha mo mpa ni for bone mo mpa no kra o mampani bia ba mamu ha so be ye adwuma ni nyina me da me say Mahama ne Akufo-Addo ne ade om de nipa ba ko Ghana bone wo di Jesus Christ ba se ne nua ye de ohun so ye ka che nana se nana ye taiwachi o gina wona so na ye ade o pese o ye no se say nana he has nothing to lose nothing na se metia according to Asase Radio nana do bet minister so by 30%. It was that so tiny plus. And yes, when my cancer was better, Mahama ministers dorsum will be increasing with the Mahama ministers dorsum will be increasing. And you're very near better so. But and you're the same thing in America. It's one hour time for them. And I wouldn't have to train Tiasam na air canoe. She nipa could true a dear way or mem. We and Yamatio the pre coso. And for the first time, they said, Doctor, no, ye hinedi. Doctor, no, ye hinedi. But yet me hinedi keke. What happens to the family? What about Doctor no nam hono? I didn't America do better to prison. So wait me ako hide akoye some secret practice. There was some private hospital be and I don't know what surgeries. Now we just crash obotom. It was here local. You do share them. They say doctor, they say I generalize. What to me practice be me there, but we bet me be a private hospital. No, no kun for. So we be some for 37. I'm say doctor, ni podi o ma chef on. Hey, nkofo ebusuafo na ho asam ne ye kan sa no. Nkofo ebusuafo ho asam ne ye kan sa no. Una obi kasa 37 no se hwe. Sa doctor no. Ni podi o ma chef on. Obi anim. Onam ho sa ye den. O se ye chi ni tum. It is not enough to sack him and take his license. It is not enough. Look at what this family are go through. Papa na or kasa or voice way muno. Wa say me message papa no wa ya so person na me kasa. Owura enya se me hu yo. Me hu bibia o. Message a wo send me nyina me hu na all this smart Richard nyina me ti o. Na me hu the way I make sure kra no akasa like em ahomete. Eya me mobo. Say me beton mo massa repeat story we. Eya me mobo em ahomete. Enti na won tell me nka no. On say yakasaba could be an one no. Aden the big national man we say. Into yen ye your mind here, your mind ye. Na problem no yen penny for no. Problem here nipa na that obey yare akọ 37 ne kolebu no. Ye kan some we no. Ne de ne say kwame plus de he. We den we mahi. Me hu ntumi ye won hi o. Nipa bebre pe masemo. Mam kan say me chiro. Na me meye no ene ne awo be kan change hwe because nipa no magima to mu deda. Nipa dodo no magima to mu deda o. Enti wo no wo beti onti enfa me ho. Bible kakrake da hoyi. Wo for bonsam okun nipa 10. Genesis to Revelation, wo kan say bonsam nipa 10 okuom. Eno kra na e chacha, oni nyame to bet. Nyame na ka kira bonsam say, kona kokun kwaji bibia wo Job ho. Fa Job bibia ne kra de memfa wonsanka. Eno okun ne man 10. Enti say na e chacha between oni nyame de a, eno eno kra betumi acha ne 5. Nyame de 5, ne de 5. Nti wo bekem kra na wo hwem ye kra, bonsam nipa 5 no okun won. Wo hwem ye nipa 5. According to Bible na mo kan. But bibia na nsuyire ni ekunwe wa ha ni ayese wa ha na ayi Sodom and Gomorrah ni nyina nyame but obi apɛ nyame asɛm nyame ye loving nyame ye righteous nyame ye patient nipa na ji wotuma ya ji watum me nipa dodo pɛ masɛm tu na wo bɛ kan change hu ɛno nti na mɛgyina na maka kyerɛ aban ne sɛ aban asase na President Mahama na yɛsɛ wasan wonim hwee osi hospital si so wo Kumase no President Mahama be hu say 37 hospital you cause strike and cause strike. It is that kind of military hospital no mon cause strike. You hear back on the northern side of Ghana and also be want to come for not to cause strike right. Still na hospital and nothing na President Mahama eba you be hu say and for no the assassin be my president could force on fancy hospital. Atamos ba be twa sword be went me ayehwe and nyame frɛ no. Me Mahama me beto aso and see hospital here about 70% of it 70% or this is our hospital in this year about 70% or see hospital wo Kumase wuti Kumase na chipala go catch them no wuti Kumase wo ye Mahama yi wuti Kumase se wo ye Mahama yi enye Mahama nka kejeti ayi asafo de ko kejeti aho say ba wo ba na ewura ho even though enye omo anisika wo ba na oje omo anisika o be ya ade e be boa mu nyina no edu time bi aka say oh ade we de Mahama ye o ya ade enye say me de me MPP ni nti magimi me de me NDC ni nti jimi na me hu akufo de ya de papa kra me say enye papa ni si hospital na to 70% enye ni sika wo nti yetumi bon sema no but oje oman ni sika no ni odi bi ye no ye beka say okay we de odi oman ni sika ya de papa sane ye kan Dubai ohene so odi oman ni sika ya oman no sa na obi so ha no odi oman ni sika ya de papa ye beka say odi oman ni sika ya de papa nti o si up to like 70% sane be ba jiwa wo nkwa o Akufo-Addo ba ye na wo ye nyina de ne ba ye no ye nyina de Akufo-Addo ba ye no oba ye no nka o se ogigi sika no de koto aso anaso otoe no so no o se okosi cathedral na ye se ye nti ase ye ne ko cathedral ho de bia cathedral kwa me plus ya ko apart from that so parliament chamber ni so nti o mu ko biem na Ghana for say da bi ye nti ase sa na o se ye hospital si Kumase ye nsinwie ye wo so ko bie ayi parliament chamber Uko si cathedral, o se cathedral no, me fa ban sika na esi, me ko stress sika. Etem bi de bia me ka se make me ebu man no. So ko stress sika. COVID-19 ba ya also open, stress sika dey COVID-19. Within 1 month, na sika na ba na esi ade na wie. Because in nipa ni nyansa no na o se trend before say election na nko yie ma. Because nkofo be throw sika in to build a COVID center than to go and build a cathedral. People will throw money in. Enti saban ba no ni sika kura na ohun se ye betu agigi sika dia bibia enka hospital na Mahama esi 70% no University of Ghana hospital na esi ho wo ba ye no na we si COVID ba ye ho de nkrofo ko ye COVID ba ye ho de nkrofo ko ye enti wo betu agigi sika enka no se enne mampeni na Ado Dankwa Akufo-Addo sorry no say ye be gigi sika ye de ko wie hospital no Kumase ye de bi ewie University of Ghana ye de bi akwa me na medi anim ambassador medi anim obia ntue sika ye nyina ye gigi sika ena sika no so beba sane ye COVID no ye se ye besi COVID center sika ne ba ya ye di si ye no sa mampeni esi opiska de wie hospital na Mahama no osi na sika ne beba sese ya ye de besi because COVID time ya ye bi ma ye hu enti no want to me ye kasa asem we ya na wo ye MPP ni ntino we say cathedral ni de yensi e Akufo-Addo besi kro nsi like me ye MPP ni ntino wo ye MPP ni wo yare wo ye MPP ni yare mbo yare ni NDC ni MPP yare any NDC ni MPP when yare oni NDC ni MPP ya kan ya chrewa na ote ho na o ye concert kwame A+ Akufo Addo be win election na we dwane every kroma won sa meti ha ya me bo nipa different no wontumi na me yes ade no na MPP for no me 2 omfo sa ade na ye 3 years no yes san ya another 4 years am ko straight hwe na ye njayo because na me no ye nyina no still na me wa ha mo go for nyina mo bebre na omo nim nyansa no omo be ma me adwuma de bia adwuma menye bia ye wo mo amaban ne mo menye bia ye na omo me adwuma ni bi so enkyere se ade anya no me ka se wonya ma me penam so efi na ko bibia enye bia ye Ghana constitution ne say the government must give us employment ntino me de bia me ba he na ha na adwuma bia ni ho ma me bi wa wo de ma me no kra no wie na odi nkwase asema me ka wo pa me ma me aden wa ma me mewu 3 years ya me na me twende me mewu na na me ti America say 1.6 me kasasa na mo pa mo fa bibia fa me ho kwase asem na mudi ne yetumofo amonte no me amini fa me A+ nipa fa bosom fa uye ho hwie ye forget it nyame ne hwie nipa ye kan ye ya kire mo ye kan ne ye bebo oman no yetumofo muntie no mun sakra mo adwen mun ye ade a ebebo oman no ene oman no mufo no na nyame nhira mo na munjai sa concert na mo ya yetumofo amonte no nyame nhira obi na ekosi eda fa me nwom last one ntwam na fe de yenkopɛ mutu obi ndi nyame nhira wo hia me a frɛ me sɛ wo hia me na wan frɛ me na obetro Facebook say I saw you obedi okay and also ya lie nyame nhira obi bia baako be do mo wate mo do nti na beti he o boys ni na di mutu mo do nti na me se here me tin fifiri nyame nhira mo wate me do mo ye be se na ba bium ye ngai kasada bye bye hey come here yefi boy and come here yefi we no some mo kai we no mo ko pe biu mo ko pe bi we no ko Facebook na hwehwe me de bia we a covid ya be me de na mu ni ade yi aye mihia bibia vitamin C o me vitamin C ya na me bo bi gu nsuo no mu na nde ba mo ya mo ho aduro replenish ho hia papa replenish mo ade papa nti na me fa Facebook la no bi hu say nya say me ton ama wo me amefa ayi nsuo ayi fa chire ha no mo ehu ayi o chiro ko ehu e be yiwedi fa chire ha abi na o yire be o me say o na o ma feel ano yi ye go private hospital o say na now ha ayi na say when you say ayi private hospitals no o me hu me say national health insurance in Tiong ka me kana mu abi na o be ka chire me the we no replenish no mo pe bi nto wate e be boa wo me na me won nyoma bebre but me fa we na like me pese me yet say bia me be ma e duro but a friend say food supplement papa to do betumi bisa wo doctor kra na say Google keke replenish plus mon tobi mon de bia no baako why me die ni anopa bia na mabo baako atoso kama because me kin me kin dodo intino wa wonu say Max yi so me sha me ntumi home asem o me Max na me home yi Ojasia we ni say ya anopa bia ho de din say kuru ni no mo fancha me wa bia na mo sa de bia nem mo fancha me madaroma mani mu a mo de jina na so sabo apapon no say why bi se obia na se ko Facebook na hwehwe replenish papa medam ase mi shi obi bia bye bye. It is well with my soul.